Over 3 million tourists visited the beautiful island of Jamaica. During their stay, many of these tourists believed they were enjoying completely natural, tropical fruits and vegetables as part of their Caribbean experience. Aren't we expecting to savor each authentic cuisine, not only for its rich flavor, but for its wholesome and carefully selected ingredients? After doing some research, we were shocked to discover that a great deal of fruits and vegetables are being imported into Jamaica from foreign farms. We learned that the problem of importation food into Jamaica is a lot more serious than tourists will ever realize. This exact issue garnered the attention of the New York Times. Let's provide farmer assistance to distressed Jamaican farmers, keeping organic, local farming alive.
Hi, my name is Neil Curtis, founder of Farm Up Jamaica Limited. Farm Up Jamaica is an organization formed to help reduce the importation of foreign foods into Jamaica through sustainable, organic, non-GMO farming. Jamaica was once known as a country that lived off of agriculture. The history of our agriculture came before the tourism. But right now, tourism represents 67.8% of our GDP, and agriculture only represents 5.8%. Currently, we have farmers in Jamaica that need your help.
I am a part of the Farm of Jamaica Young Soldiers for Food Security program. We need your help to put our farmers and young people back into agriculture. Our youth are turning to drugs and crime. Your help will create opportunity for so many.
We've come up with a real farmer assistance program that will help farmers to do everything from start to finish within their farming initiative. We will help them with seeds, machinery, tools, irrigation, everything necessary for these farmers to actually complete a successful crop. The non-GMO Organic Onion Project
is 5 acres of onions that we will use your donations to fund.
Now, that is going to give us everything from start to finish. Seeds, irrigation, trucks, storage, whatever it needs to actually complete this process, we're going to actually be doing. We're starting with 5 acres of onions on a 100-acre farm. Even if we've gotten to our limit of $75,000, if we are over donated, we'll be able to continually plant more onions on this property. The 5 acres of organic onions represents 1% of the amount of onions that are being imported into the country, and will close the gap on 1% of onions coming into our country. And as this project expands, we're going to close that gap even more. We're reaching out to many individuals and many organizations. So not only tourists or people in the agricultural industry, but even our Jamaican diaspora, people that were born and raised here, that have a love for this country, should come together and help us fix this problem. Please help us accomplish our goal.